I've been asking God, how do I trust you? Because God has been revealing to me the cracks in our relationship. Oh. Anyways, He showed me that I'm living in a prayer that I used to pray. This is in relation to how I had asked God for some direction about my program and about what He wants me to do. God is making me to see that I'm living in a prayer that I used to pray. So I used to pray that God would give me His direction. And I still pray this prayer. In fact, that's my major prayer point right now. And God has shown me that He never actually was quiet. He took me to a place I needed to be. If I had stayed where I was geographically, I would not have learned the things I learned today. An example of this is I didn't know that it's possible to see other young people on fire for God. Like, I didn't know that it's possible for people to be madly in love with God at my age and to want God. Because I was always weird. Like, I could not really ever fit in with other people. I'm not saying that I've always been like a Jesus babe, but I was always weird for being very serious about Jesus. What God has for me is just so much better. Another thing I wanted to say is that, and this is something I heard from Clarity with PD. Y'all better join because you're missing out if you're not there. And it was that God never leaves our best behind us. God never leaves our best behind us. And that's so deep for me because I was thinking about a relationship that I really, really loved and I was grateful for. And it hurt that it was discontinued. It just speaks to how God wants better for me. And if what I'm seeing now is so good, imagine how much better what God has for me is. Let God finish cooking, okay? The spices, all the ingredients, everything that you ever wanted and everything that you didn't even know you wanted is going to be there. It's all inclusive. So you just have to trust Him. And that's why I'm on this series. I'm on this quest to learn how to trust God. Because God is telling me I got you. I actually have your back. You can call on me. And I have the best intentions for you. This good thing that you've experienced is good. And I'm not gonna, pretend that it's not. It's cute. But what I have for you is amazing. Do you see the difference? This is cute or whatever, but what I have for you is so much better, babes. Trust me. And that's what God is saying. Trust me. I got you. Don't worry. Anyways, yeah, that's just kind of what I need to say about that. Yar.